If you are driving a modern turbocharged or supercharged vehicle, and you have noticed the power just is not there anymore, or maybe your fuel economy has tanked, you might be looking at code P023C. This code points to a problem with the charge air cooler coolant pump control circuit being high. Let's unravel what that actually means for your engine. In a forced induction setup, the air gets incredibly hot as it is compressed by the turbo. To fix this, your car uses an intercooler, or charge air cooler, to chill that air down before it enters the engine, making it denser and more powerful. Many modern systems use a water-to-air intercooler, which means there is a separate, small electric water pump dedicated just to circulating coolant through that intercooler. It is not your main engine water pump. It is an auxiliary one. When the computer sees a high signal in this circuit, it usually means there is an open circuit, like a cut wire or a mechanical jam inside the pump that is messing with the electrical readings. Your first move is to locate this pump. It is usually tucked away near the radiator or inside the front bumper to get good airflow. Once you find it, check the coolant lines attached to it. Is there coolant? Is the level low? Sometimes air pockets in this system can cause the pump to spin freely and throw a code. Next, look closely at the electrical connector. These pumps live in a harsh environment right at the front of the car, so corrosion or a wire that has chafed and broken is extremely common. If you have a 12-volt power source, you can actually pull the pump out and bench test it to see if it spins up. Just be careful, as these are not high-pressure fire hoses. They just need to move fluid gently. If the pump is dead, replacing it is usually a straightforward bolt-on job. Do not ignore this code for too long, because while it might not leave you stranded immediately, driving without a working intercooler causes your intake temperatures to skyrocket, leading to heat soak and a sluggish, unhappy engine that is pulling timing to protect itself.